Hello, everybody on the internet. This is your international crypto asset ninja speaking. All right. Today, our topic of discussion is actually to talk about the number one biggest cryptocurrency in the cryptosphere, which is Bitcoin. But before we dive right into the discussion today, here's a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. So all the information and discussion shared in this episode is purely for entertainment purpose. Should you be interested in investing in the cryptocurrencies, be sure to do your own due diligence and research and consult a professional financial advisor for before you make any decisions. All right. So, in the event that if some of you are also investors of cryptocurrencies like me, you might want to consider making your crypto assets safe and bring it offline and store it in a cold hardware wallet. As for myself, I usually store them in my Trezor wallet or my Ledger Nano S wallet, both of which are easy to use, safe and secure, as well as easily retrievable should you lose the device. With the recovery key, you can easily retrieve whatever you have lost in the hardware. So if you are interested in keeping your crypto assets safe and secure in an offline hardware, be sure to check the link below, and you can actually purchase some of them at discounted prices. Okay, so let's dive right into today's discussion. So, Bitcoin is actually the largest and the very first cryptocurrencies that appear in the world back in the early years post the 2008 financial crisis, or they call Lehman Brothers, all right, the collapse of the Lehman Brothers in the USA that triggered the whole financial crisis since 2008. And ever since then, we have the onset of blockchain and Bitcoin, which is created by none other than Satoshi Nakamoto, who is a fictitious or fake name or alias of possibly a person or persons or group of organization. Nobody knows. And because of that, Bitcoin arrived in our world. So let's take a quick look at the trajectory of Bitcoin prices ever since then. So as you can see over here, the prices trace way back. Okay, this is the longest that I could find on the internet. Most of the crypto exchanges only started appearing much later after Bitcoin came into the scene. Some of them as early as 2011, some 12, 13, 14, and in more recent history, all right, in 2016 to 17, ever since the last bull run, more and more exchanges has been appearing around the world. So many of them only have records up to 2016. So I managed to find the price way back to 2010. All right. So as you can see, just a quick recap. The Bitcoin prices from the beginning, okay, as we can see over here, it's somewhere below a penny. All right. Later on, I'll zoom in to show you guys what are the prices below 10 cents and a couple of cents, which we will explore later. Then the prices went on the long up and down volatile price range, ranging within the cents. And then usually you can see over the first 3 years from 2010 to 2011, 12, it went as high as double digits, hitting like 20s range and then falling back down again to a couple of dollars. Okay, so it has a very, very smooth and price range, volatile, and then after which, uh, very prone to sudden spikes in prices. Okay, over the first 3 years, and then the second most significant wave came about like after 2013. As you can see, the digits suddenly spike up to triple digits. Okay, and triple digits went up and down, and it was maintained at that level when little to no uh, major news on the mainstream news. but people were actually going in and accumulating Bitcoin. So over the next couple of years, 14, 15, 2016, all right, it has been in the 3-digit era, okay, all the way until where the magic starts happening in the third major wave of bull run. That came somewhere around 2017, where prices suddenly see a huge jump across the 4-digit mark. Okay, $1,000 from 2017 onwards, and then it went spiking up, and then a pattern of consolidation, spiking up again to 2000 to 3000 and consolidation again. So this pattern of accumulation is pretty sudden for Bitcoin, and typically rise a lot when it's in a bull run. And it went up high until close to 18,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. And at the peak, right towards the end of 2017, December 2017, that was where the peak happened, and then quickly faltered and adjusted again. A lot of consolidation. Beginning of 2018, that's when the bear run of the bear market, okay, set in for cryptocurrencies. Ever since 2018, 2019, 2020, 3 years worth of consolidation. Pretty volatile, as you can see over here, from the last historical high of about 18,000 US dollars per Bitcoin in December 2017. It actually consolidated and went down. And as the dip went as low as 3,000s, which were around mid 2017 levels, and then consolidated. There was an attempt, okay, for a rebound around June of 2019, which was unsuccessful, probably hitting resistance and then coming down again and testing and up and down again. And then, but we can see over here that although they are unable to, penetrate the resistance to battle the previous high of 18,000, it does find a comfortable support that is somewhere around above 5,000 level, right? Well supported, and it seems to be in a accumulation or consolidation period right now in July of 2020. So you can see, as if you can take the trajectory of the past, okay, where Bitcoin is traditionally known to have long periods of consolidation and volatile prices before a sharp spike in prices in a short period of time. Okay, so if you can see that pattern lasted, okay, let's try to zoom in into specific periods. Like for instance, okay, 2010 to 2011, there was a significant bull run in a short span of 1 month. All right, pretty significant. Okay, from less than $1 to $30. That's like 30 times. Okay, within almost a month time. Very short, but huge skyrocketing prices of 30 times. Okay, that's equivalent to 3,000% in just 1 month, 1.5 month time. Okay, and then there was a long extended period of consolidation of declining prices, and then consolidation. Okay, that lasted a good long period. Okay, at least 6 months, as we can see. Let me shift this over, and then beyond the 6 months, what happens? Any extended. All right, so the consolidation, if you can see from just now, actually lasted as long as until you could see up to a year's time, until the following year, March. So it started off rising in May, the preceding in sorry in May of 2011. All right, it was the rise in May of 2011. You can see here, and then after a long period of consolidation, okay, eventually after almost 2 years, then the prices sees some breath of fresh air, and then making its run to try to break the previous time high of $30, and it did after 2 years worth of consolidation, mind you. So these 2 years of consolidation brings strength to the support bands, all right, and then gives the accumulation of volume of people hodling to Bitcoin, and then when it runs like a huge, strong bull, as you can see. From $30 all-time high, it went up all the way to $230. That's 7 times. Okay, a good 700% in as short as, again, 1 month time. Okay, you can see there's a pattern developing, right? The bull run typically lasts within a month or slightly more than a month, and the percentage gain is huge. The first bull run took about there was like 3,000%. Okay, and then uh, the second bull run took about 700%, 7 times in a month plus. And then let's see whether the consolidation also takes as long as 2 years. Okay, so beyond this period of time, let's see how long does it take to consolidate. So from we can see here from March or April, right? Okay, let's see how far it goes. So yeah, so it went a year time. Okay, this time around slightly less than a year, because in March, all right, all the way to November, and it finished the consolidation of the previous high already. Okay, then remember 230 was the previous high, and then it broke the 230 after close to a year of consolidation. So the second consolidation after the second bull run was 1 year. Okay, and then it went up and broke the all-time high again. So went all the way up, this time round hitting a high of about, let's see, $1,147. So that is, if my math serves me correctly, is close to about 4.5 to 5 times. Yeah, 500%. And that happens within also a short 1 month period, as you can see the bull run. Okay, very fast bull run for Bitcoin. And then let's see the consolidation. Okay, how long does it take the consolidation to happen? So from the mid of here, right? Beginning 2014. Okay, let's consolidate all the way. Okay, so 2014, it took 1 whole year to consolidate, not done yet. Continue to 2015, and then 2015 it consolidated until way, way, way beyond 2015. Oh, this time around the consolidation took longer than 2 years. Let's see, 2015 and then 2016. All right, mid of 2016, not yet done consolidating. 2017. Okay. Seems like it hit 2017. Yes, it did. It took another 2 years of consolidation for this, the third bull run, to finish and consolidate in so long a time, 3 years to consolidate after the third bull run. So 3 years of consolidation will mean that significant strength is gathered in the support, which provides possibly a stronger and higher boost in the next bull run, which we will see. Okay, so moving on from here, so it's about, it was $1,000, right? So we see how far it went. So $1,000 went all over to, okay, so that's 1 year. What's the price here? Okay, $1,000. Yeah. So and after that 3 years of consolidation, it did break all-time high, but this time around slower momentum. Okay, it's building up. Okay, you can see just now the fast momentum usually ends off with a 1 month or so bull run. This one is a slow momentum. It's gathering a lot of momentum, so it is pushing off for a good, long run. And then the run actually this time round is a 1 whole year full of bull run. You see, it's an uptrend for the whole year. So instead of a 1 month uptrend, 1 month bull run, the fourth wave of the bull run actually took a whole year to complete. And that means the longer the bull run holds and the more gentle the up run is more likely it can be supported and sustained over a longer period of time. And it's sustained for 1 whole year. So that reaches a high of close to 20,000 US dollars. You can see the fourth bull run is crazy. Okay, after 1 whole year of bull run, then it managed to finish the bull run. That's a strong bull year, 2017. And that was the last seen high of Bitcoin, as you can see. Very, very strong. So the longer, as you can see, hopefully by now you are able to follow me. The first bull run, a short 1 month bull run, and then followed by probably a year of consolidation. Then the second bull run, another month, short month of bull run, pretty fast. Okay. I think if I'm not wrong, the first bull run was a couple of 1,000%. Then the second bull run was 700% or so. Then consolidation is again 1 year to 2 years, and then progressively towards the fourth bull run, right? The consolidation took, instead of 1 or 2 years or 3 years, it took like as long as the whole stretch of the 3 years. And the bull run that followed was as strong and as sustained as you can ever see. And it took, instead of the usual 1 month of bull run, it took a whole year and achieved the all-time high of 20,000 US dollars. So this is a price that is a good 20 times. Okay, 20 times means 2,000%. Very hefty increase. All right. So with this amount, and let's see how long it took for the consolidation to happen. Okay. So we are still in the midst of this consolidation because there's no sign of uptrend yet. In fact, there was a double dip, and we can see that they are testing the supports pretty much. The more, okay, so you can see from the high of 19,000, it went down and down and down and down. Initially, I thought it will form a cup and handle, a very strong next boost, but it didn't. It just stayed bouncing around volatile market around the base price of close to 3,000, which it has already consolidated and backtraced a good it has lost back a good $16,000 worth back to the market, and the price is now comfortably sitting above 3,000. So it went up again, and then over the next couple of years. So 2018 was a year of consolidation, 2019 as well, 2020. We are already in 3 years worth of long-term consolidation. There was an attempt to run to hit back the all-time high. I think we only achieved 12 or 13,000 US dollars before coming down again. So that was significant resistance, okay, met, and we were not able to go close to the all-time high yet. Okay, and ever since then we are testing the resistance, and we also testing, triple testing the support, and our support seems to be hovering around 5,000, which is comfortable. And the longer this stretch, if I can extend this to show you, the longer this stretch of consolidation is going to take, right? The stronger the support will become. That will help to support and boost up when the next bull run comes. So, guys, this is very good news. Okay, a lot of people are losing hope and they are clearing the weak hands, as they say. A lot of hodlers sold their Bitcoin because in fear of losses. But then what happens is that people who bought from these people who sell are actually the long term investors and the institutional investors, right? And a lot of accumulation are from all the parties that know what's going on with cryptocurrency and the fintech sphere. So they are here to stay and to buy even more. So as you can see, this 3 years worth of consolidation is going to strengthen this support for a real strong support when the next bull starts running. And we are almost certain that it's going to surpass the last bull run of 19 to 20,000 US dollars per Satoshi, so per Bitcoin. All right, so those of you who are already invested, okay, congratulate you for your future success. Those of you who have not, I think you should do your own due diligence. Don't take my word for it. It's just for entertainment purposes. Seek your own financial advisor, and if you wish to invest, we are still in good state, all right, but probably the margin of profit is not as high as when you were here 5,000, and when you were here 3 to 4,000. Those were the best days. So I hope today you find my sharing of the Bitcoin historical price useful. It's something that I find is in the YouTube sphere so far. No one has really done it to run all the way back to the beginning of Bitcoin prices. So I thought it was helpful for myself to understand, where we are standing, and from historical perspective, we can take heart that we are in a good state because of the trends of Bitcoin which tends to have a long period of consolidation and a short burst of bull run. And the longer the consolidation and the decline of the price is sustained, the better and the greater the bull run and the increase in price will be in the next bull run. So if you find that you want to invest and you want to keep your cryptocurrency safe, feel free to check out the link below, where you can get discounted prices of Trezor
or Ledger Nano S. Both are very good and the top hardware wallets out there. You can keep your crypto assets safe, offline, and also retrievable. So if you do enjoy what you uh, watch today, feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure to switch on the notifications so that you get informed of when the latest video comes along. And if you wish for me to discuss certain topics of interest within my means, if I can, I will do a special video just for you. So comment on what you like about this video and what you like to find out more. And I'll see you in the next one. Here's the International Crypto Asset Ninja signing off. Goodbye.